Hi, my name is Anna, and we are at Elite Residences, one of the tallest residential towers in Dubai Marina, and I'm gonna walk you through a process of renovating, furnishing, and onboarding 12 properties on the same floor in this building. This project is quite unique for us because we have previously onboarded and worked on bulk properties, bulk projects, but we never had units on the same floor. And it's quite an interesting experience for the team.
I think in a way it is a good thing that all 12 units were on the same floor. Imagine having to do 12 units on different floors, like that would be a complete mess. So in a way it is a plus point.
We have been working on this since November, and the team has been diligently working on two aspects of this. So we have to consider the interior design part as well as the property onboarding part. From the interior design perspective, we had a very clear vision from the landlords. They wanted to have clean, modern, neutral, and minimalistic spaces. And our design team's goal was to make sure to meet that requirement, whereas at the same time give each and every unit a unique and distinctive character.
So from the beginning, the client really wanted very earthy tones. She didn't want anything very flashy, so we mostly incorporated earthy tones, which is beige, soft grays, and taupe colors.
It was a very interesting project to work on. Designing and experimenting variations throughout the units was something nice to do. And also creating a unified yet diverse look was something that we achieved through designing these spaces.
So it's never just about the aesthetics of the property, whereas as an interior designer for myself and my design team, this is the most important part. But we also have to look at it from a different perspective. There are different key elements that have to come together for a rental property to be successful. Of course, one of them is successful design, but also the operations and the functionality of the property has to be on the high level.
So I would say the most challenging thing, especially for the team, was managing 12 premium units all at once. You know, coordinating with suppliers, with contractors, making sure the deliveries are not all exchanged. I think that was the biggest challenge for the team.
Since we had many deliveries coming to the same floor and we were working on 10 plus units, some of the deliveries were getting mixed up. One of the wall arts were shifted to a wrong unit and they placed it there. So when the design was done and I went for setup, I found that it was actually blending in the space perfectly and I didn't expect it to. So this was a funny yet interesting thing to happen to me.
I would say that I'm very proud of our team's achievements and collaborative efforts that we had. And we did not just furnish properties and we did not just onboarded properties here, but our main goal was to deliver value, to maximize the potential of these properties and to beautifully design the properties that would be appealing to our guests. And that's what actually we do here at Deluxe Holiday Homes.